waiting on me again. It's DeJohn checking in with you from Tempe, Arizona at a Moxy hotel. Typically, Moxy rooms are very small, but I did get upgraded. Moxy hotels encourage you to hang out in the living room, which is the lobby, where they have plenty of games to play. Let's go check it out. So here's a travel secret, vacuum bags. They're a space saver. You stuff your clothes in them, and you seal them like so. Once it's sealed, you're going to attach the vacuum, turn it on, and let it go to work. And remember, whatever you do, don't subscribe, because I don't want anyone knowing our secrets.